Thousands of new product and package designs hit the shelf every year. And when the color doesn't look right, there's a good chance the buyer thinks something's wrong with what's inside. Managing color is complicated, especially today with complex packaging supply chains and suppliers around the globe. Not to mention the variety of substrates, ink systems, print processes, and pack types. Traditionally, designers select and approve a color. They get a visual sample and proof. It goes to the printer, they try to match it, but can they? It goes into production with this printer and other printers, and it gets assembled. And when it hits the shelf, uh-oh, is the color a hit or a miss? But wait, there's a better way. X-Rite's digital print quality programs give your brand an end-to-end solution. Remember that, designer? Using X-Rite's web-based color cert and Pantone Live, they can get color consistency and predictability in packaging production. Designers have digital access to Pantone color libraries or can create their own special color to be approved and digitized. They select a color for a new package, and Pantone Live connects to over 35 color libraries for different pack types. Next, a color cert job that defines the color and quality requirements is created. The information is zipped up and off it goes. Now, factories across the globe have everything they need in one place. And printers get real-time feedback during the run to make adjustments that maximize quality. When it's finished, a color cert scorecard is delivered instantly. You and the supplier can keep track of the results and see where improvements are needed and when they are made. One simple dashboard and a single score shows you everything without ever leaving your office to travel to an on-site press approval. And when it all comes together, it's no surprise, everything matches. Want to get started? X-Rite's brand team can work with you to deploy a successful digital print quality program in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. There's easy access to training, and we'll even help leverage your printer's existing quality tools. And we'll work with you as printers onboard into your digital print quality programs to ensure success. No cost overruns, no wasted time or miscommunication. No need to attend a press trial again. Take the guesswork out of packaging and print quality programs and take control of your color.